FGEN stock Tuesday. Am I buying or selling on FibroGen stock next? First thing is on the list. Today's performance is crazy, like crazy stuff. 82% up for the day, and I absolutely adore. I just love how we've actually started putting in this consistent bullish trend here. I mean, you can see we just boom start breaking the highs multiple times. It's crazy, but yeah, looking at FibroGen stock, I love how we've actually been doing this. We don't have that much data that we could work with. I mean, we have data originating from June 2023, so this is a very solid break. So I love how we're breaking here. So with FGEN stock, I am definitely still expecting new highs to be made. Quite of a newbie chart, man. I mean, I love how bullish we are right here, but the only way for me to maybe take advantage of these opportunities if the price comes into the gray area and then gives me my rules. I'm completely aware that the price more like than not is going to do this, right? But the only way for me to be a part of these opportunities if it gives me my rules, and that simply just comes from experience. I mean, go ahead and make 15,000 videos like this, and that's it. I mean, I have nothing to sell you. This is just my opinion. If you want my strategy, check out the first link in the description.